Yamaha Tenere 700 best motorcycles. With major shows and public launches cancelled due to the pandemic last year, motorcycle manufacturers have had even more time to design, improve and manufacture the best new motorcycles in 2022. And after the long lockdowns across the world, your thirst for freedom and adventure will be greater than ever. What better way to celebrate the thrill of being alive than with a new motorcycle? Of course, there's a lot to consider before investing in one of the all-new 2022 premium motorcycles. That's why we've put together this list to help you decide which is the best motorcycle for you in 2022. But first, let's dive into why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of these top 10 motorcycles. More power, the need for speed, and with it, smooth, efficient acceleration, is a common reason to invest in a new, more powerful motorcycle. The newest and best bikes of 2022 sport solid amounts of power, impressive torque specs and bigger motors for top speeds no matter what kind of road you're riding. Improved design. Let's be honest, style is an important factor when it comes to choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer a rugged, torquey adventure bike or you're more of a sport rider and have been on the trail for a while or just starting out, 2022 has some stylish new designs in store for you. New technology along with increased top speeds and engine displacement. The best motorcycles in 2022 also come with high-end electronics, driver assists and advanced safety features that cannot be overemphasized considering the brute force of today's most spectacular two-wheelers. More comfort. The improved technological features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only improve your safety while riding and racing, but are also designed for greater comfort and convenience. With speed cameras, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features are guaranteed to give you the most relaxed and comfortable driving experience possible. More economical. Over the past decade, drivers and non-drivers alike have become more environmentally conscious and manufacturers are responding to demand. With improved engines, fuel efficiency is at an all-time high while emissions are hitting a new low, and that electric motorcycles are up and coming. In the long run, buying one of the top 10 motorcycles in 2022 can be a relief for the environment and your wallet. What are the best motorcycles? Now that you are aware of the improvements, types and criteria of the best motorcycle of the year, it is time to choose your new motorcycle. Without further ado, let us introduce you to the top best motorcycles. Yamaha Tenere 700 Style. Adventure bike. Engine type: liquid-cooled, parallel twin, DOHC, 4 VPC. Displacement: 689cc bore x-stroke, 80.0 mm by 86.6 mm. Max horsepower: 72.1 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Max torque: 50 pound-feet at 6,600 revolutions per minute. Weight: 452 pounds, 205 kilograms. MSRP: $9,999. Yamaha's new adventure bike is a good-looking steed for all road types. Its mid-displacement engine combines reliability with a solid power output, great linear torque and improved economy. Its rally-inspired ergonomics allow the rider great agility without compromising comfort and allow confident handling on dirt tracks and tarmac alike. At a competitive price point, it sure is a solid contestant for best all-around motorcycle. Conclusion: 2022 is an exciting year for new motorcycles, innovative designs and more power than ever in sport bikes, adventure bikes inspired by Paris-Dakar nostalgia and the bold new initiative of Harley-Davidson breaking through in the ADV world with a brand new aggressive machine. This might be the best year to buy a new bike. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, pure power or off-road capability, there's something for everyone, and if you're ready to go green, a range of e-bikes are also on offer. Whichever new motorcycle you opt for, Monomoto wishes you many happy miles.